Hi, this is Marsh Myers with the Oregon Coast Aquarium's Oceanscape network. Have you ever wondered about the colors of deep-sea animals? Today, we're performing an experiment to see how light and color are affected as they pass through the ocean and how deep-sea animals have adapted to these changes. But first, a little background on how visible light works. The sun is the primary source of visible light on Earth and in the ocean water down to a depth of about 656 feet or 200 meters. This light is made up of different waves of energy, which we see as colors. When visible light strikes an object like this apple, we see it as red because the apple's surface reflects the red light and absorbs the other colors. The different color wavelengths are also affected by water. Some colors are absorbed or scattered more quickly than others. As we go deeper, more and more colors are removed from our vision through this absorption or scattering process. After about 490 feet, only 1% of the light from the sun remains, and the background light becomes very dim. Red is the first color absorbed by the water as we go down. We lose that color within the first 30 feet. Then follows orange, yellow, and green. The violets and ultraviolet colors are scattered. Because blue is the last color to be absorbed, this is why the ocean usually appears blue to our eyes. Even though the deepest ocean depths appear to be lightless, there are still small amounts of visible light even here. Scientists who study vision in deep-sea animals have discovered that many of them have more sensitive eyes than human beings and may be able to gather up enough light to see some of the world around them. That means being a certain color may help these animals camouflage themselves against predators. So the purpose behind today's experiment is to see what colors work best as deep-sea camouflage. To test this out, 3 of our Oceanscape volunteers are going to create their own deep-sea animals. They'll use construction paper divided up into the rainbow colors of visible light, creating one animal out of each color. Once assembled, the animals will be placed on black foam cord to simulate the dimly lit ocean depths and then observed through blue filters.
On my animal, the idea is that they'll poison the predator, and this is like an anglerfish has, where it'll be light in the dark water. So when an animal sees it, it will try to go for it, but then these will poison the animal that's trying to eat it.
It was inspired by the moray eel, and like one of my favorite animals. But yeah, so this one is for deep sea, and it's got the inferior mouth, so it kind of it likes to swim above its prey and then dive down, grab it, and then do like that thing, and it like helps them rip it apart so they can digest it easier.
Well, this is my not-so-giant isopod. He's purple. From observation, see that they have nice hard shell armor to protect them from possible predators.
With their deep-sea animals now mounted on the black background, the volunteers will use blue filter glasses to see which color camouflages best.
Very awesome glasses.
You say very awesome.
It reminds me of Elton John.
Glasses with dreadlocks are not like a combo. I really can't decipher the yellow and the squat lobster.
Yeah, this one's really well hidden.
Yeah, that's
which
really
is weird because
interesting.
it was like the brightest one.
Yeah.
These really stand out.
They do.
The Valentine octopus is
Yeah.
like
You can tell
gonna
that it
get
has
eaten
this,
first.
the color changing in it though.
Yeah.
As you can see from the video, red, orange, and yellow provide the best camouflage, causing the animals to virtually disappear into the black background. This makes sense since these are some of the first colors absorbed by the water. Red absorbs blue light, so in the deep sea, a red-colored squid would have the same camouflaging effect as if you wore black clothing on a dark night. you, like the squid, would vanish from sight. To learn more about the deep sea, visit the Explore area on the Oceanscape network.